Hello guys, today we are going to talk about simple issues that are being encountered in FS Studio 20. Those issues like sound, the keyboard label, how to drag a sample, how to copy a sample, how to use the playlist, the channel rack. Yeah, we want to deal with all those issues, how to install these heavy plugins like third-party plugins that consume much space of around 2 GB and above. So just stay relaxed, watch this tutorial until the end. Okay, of sound, mine you have heard, it has opened automatically without clicking anywhere. But those with sound issues, you just come to this word option, then come here to audio settings, then on this name device, click there, then you'll choose either out default or primary sound, and that issue will be solved. Okay, thank you. We've done with that. Another issue is people are getting hard time to label their keyboard on the piano roll. So labeling your keyboard, you'll need to come here on this plus icon and choose any plugin here. Let me choose Hypersonic. Yes, let's wait it to open. Yeah, it has opened. So on this, you will just click on this icon here and choose the word piano roll. Then on the piano roll, click that very piano roll option, that icon there. Then come to view, then move down here to keyboard labels. Then you can choose your desired, either none, all notes or root notes. Me, I've chosen root notes, but if you want to see all the labels, choose all notes, like you can see here. Yeah, we've solved that issue. Another issue is about how to drag samples. As I said earlier, dragging samples, you just come here to packs, my packs, let's say Jeps 2 kit. Let's choose any kick. The way you are holding your phone, press your left thumb on screen like that. That's my left thumb. Then drag using your right thumb like this. After reaching to the channel rack, release all your fingers on the screen. Yeah, that way we've dragged the sample. Another issue is about how to drag your samples from channel rack to playlist. Now let's just arrange anything here. We're just arranging anything. Or let's say village tool steps like that. Yeah. After you've done with arranging here, you'll see here pattern 1. So this pattern 1 is what you've done here on channel rack. So if you want to move them to your playlist for arrangement, you just do the same way you did with dragging samples from your packs to channel rack. The same way, do it from this here named pattern 1. Just press and drag like that. So people are asking how to copy forward. Copying forward, I said you use these side panel. You just press Ctrl then B, that way. Then if you want to delete, just press this zero icon here, this one, a circle icon. You move there, you press it, move, press, move, press. If you want to carry, just like that. Yeah. Okay, we've done with that issue. Another issue is about installing heavy and third-party plugins. On this issue, you need to give your phone enough room for breathing. Like, you can't install a heavy or a bigger plugin when your phone has inadequate space. What you need to have space, much space. After having much space, some plugins like Nexus plugin, you'll need to have that some drivers. Let me show you. Useful apps, this PC. My D folder, my visual, runtime. Yeah. Like, after you download the Nexus and try to install, it will show you some errors. I don't remember those errors. So it won't install unless you install one of these drivers here. These drivers, I have these files. So if anybody wants them, just contact me via that phone on my YouTube there, on WhatsApp. Then we'll do business and get these drivers. This helps you to install those third-party plugins that take much of your time and hard time to install. I think I've done with issues, those simple issues. Thank you.